Assalamualaikum friends. How are you? Hope you well at home. Friends, in today's video we unboxing the top secret off the trending images. Watch video till end. So without waste time, go to video. If you like the video, please like it. Give your opinion in the comments section, and if you are new on the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for every new video. Thanks. Bing Image Creator. Click on the Fest website. You will get a text in the description that you have to copy and paste here. You can change your name like this. No, click on Create. Wait for magic. See, your image is ready. Now click on the image and download easily. If you don't have Microsoft Bing account, so click on the I button and learn how to create Microsoft Bing account. Thanks for watching the video. See you again in another video. Bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.